Hi guys, how you doing? So here's a quick video, and this time it's about the mud flaps. As you can see, there are no mud flaps. There's no mud flap on this side, on the passenger side of the Tesla. While we go on the driver's side, there is a mud flap, and if you can tell, it's already a little bit broken, a little bit cracked there. So now it locks. I can stand that, but it keeps locking. What happened is the mud flap on the passenger side got stuck in a pile of hard snow, ice, frozen snow, so ice, same thing, and it just popped out. It was loose, and I do have it at home. Took it off, and one of the fasteners is gone. So that raised the question: should I put it back on or not? I think it looks better without it, but does it help to have a mud flap? There's a lot of talk about this, like the front mud flaps right here. You can see them right there. They make a lot of sense because actually the dirt comes up here, splashes, and you get rock chips at the rear door because the car is kind of like hips that stand out at the back, and you can tell when you look at it from this side, right? So they make a lot of sense to have some mud flaps at the front. Now the rear, you can tell it's a little bit dirty here, right? But on the other side, there's almost no difference. See? Almost no difference. Maybe a little bit cleaner, but not much. So what do you think? I would think I will just keep them off. Looks better without mud flaps at the rear. I think I'll take the other one off too, and I keep the front ones on. Also, they do cause some drag when you drive, and I would think without mud flaps maybe the range will even be better. I mean, probably not. It's too small of a difference, but you know what I mean. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. The mud flaps on the Tesla, and in fact any other vehicle too. I don't have mud flaps on the Ford Explorer. I don't have them on the town car. I don't have them on any car. So are they needed on a Tesla Model Y? Yes or no? I think they can help. The front ones definitely, but the rear ones, as of now, I would say no, not needed. And I'm gonna take mine off when the weather is a little bit warmer. All right, thanks guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.